Hi guys, and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Taurus. So let's see, what the rest of the year, which means the remaining parts of 2021, going to bring for my Taurus people. Please check the readings for your placements of Sun, Moon, Rising, or Ascendant, as they say. So if you're a Taurus Ascendant, this reading will probably resonate with you. If you have a Taurus Sun or Taurus Moon, this reading would probably make more sense to you. So let's see what 2021 is to offer. What's the remaining 2021 has to offer to you. Give me cards for Taurus for rest of the year 2021. Give me cards for Taurus for rest of the year 2021. Alrighty, it does seem like Taurus people, you are going to be doing amazingly well. I see a lot of you people getting the recognition. I see a lot of you people finally coming to the point where you have always wanted to come, that is in the limelight. Now if you pay attention to these three cards, we have the Six of Wands and we have the Three of Wands. Now Three of Wands talks about finally making a physical movement towards something. So many of you might be evaluating if moving on from a current situation that you are in. It could be in your home, it could be in your personal life, or it could be at your career as well, whether you want to stay or whether you want to go with the flow and to a different place. So I do see that feeling of relocation, wanting to relocate, or that feeling of wanting the circumstances to physically change is very very important for you. And what this card here is telling me is that you're going to be very successful at it. You are going to be, you're going to come into power. You're going to be this uh, boss babe, or this magnetic house of power where you'll be like, oh my god, this is what I've always wanted and this is finally happening to me. Now with the Knight of Swords, and if I combine all these cards together, what these are telling me is you're being very calculative, you're being very analytical. You may also, or you could also be dealing with an air sign, so Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You could be dealing with these signs for the rest of the year. But when it comes to your career, I do see you guys doing really really well. I see you are getting a promotion, I see you getting the recognition, I see you get reaching that spot or reaching that state in your life where you are very proud of yourself, you are happy with where you are. Let's see what other cards I have. And then definitely movement again, and also six has appeared two times. So energy of Venus is very strong, and Venus is a water sign, so energy of movement. A lot of things are going to finally start moving. If things have been stagnant, they are definitely moving. For a lot of people who were in a relationship, and you've been waiting for your ex to come back, I do see your ex making a move towards you. They may try to communicate with you, but they have been spying on you, that's for sure. But they are healing. If you have gone through a breakup, I do see you healing, and I do see like a new chance or a new start coming towards you, especially with the Eight of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles. Now Queen of Pentacles also tells me that you guys might also be dealing with the earth sign, so Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or you may have these qualities. So the remaining months of 2021, you're going to be very practical, you're going to be very grounded. And a lot of people who were not organized before, suddenly you're going to turn very very organized. But definitely you guys have an opportunity to start something new. Now, for all the people who want to have their own business, I see a very, very strong possibility that you guys are going to start your own business. Or if you've been in a confusion, you're finally going to make this decision. But what is going to happen with this decision is, the remaining months, what it's telling me that you're going to make an offer. Like, you had two choices and you're going to pick one. You're going to be very analytical about it, and because you were analytical, you thought things through very very clearly, you're going to be in this position of power. You're going to be emotionally happy, you're going to be physically happy, and then you'll be okay. So it's a new business, it's a new thing, take it how it resonates, apply it in your situation. With the Six of Swords, you'll be like, huh, there was a little bit of learning that I had to do, but that's not bad. So you do a little bit of learning and you reach this Ace of Pentacles stage where you are like, oh my god, jackpot, like I can do this, I can start this thing. and finally you become the queen of pentacles. So you see how amazingly well your sequence of energy is going, towards the end of the year. It's like by the end of the year you're going to be proud of yourself, you're going to be happy, and you're going to be like, yes, this is exactly what I wanted, and this is exactly what I'm getting. Let's see what other messages we have for you. Now, I have the Seven of Gabriel, which talks about standing for what you believe in, have confidence, and claim your personal power. See, again, it kind of matches where it tells you to have confidence, make a decision, stop waiting for things to happen, instead, start making them happen. That's exactly how one should be in life. You have to take a stand, because if you don't take a stand, you're going to be like all over the place. Also, this number seven also talks about the planet Ketu. And what happens with Ketu is Ketu needs you to have confidence, because this is a learning that you have already done in your past life. It's just a matter of reigniting that fire within you. The next card I have is the Nine of Gabriel, which says, stay determined and move forward. Be prepared for any possibility. See, I think the possibility this thing is telling you about is this particular possibility where you're like, you'll be like, oh my god, am I doing it right? Or am I doing it wrong? Like, am I on the wrong path? Or, what is happening? Like, everything started off so well, but why? But this is going to be very short. So it's not going to last very long. Possibly 6 days, but maybe 6 weeks, but not more than that. And then you have this amazing start. Many of you, there are also chances that you guys are going to turn green. So you'll start thinking about the environment. Maybe you're going to plant more trees, you're going to buy more trees, but I do feel like you're going to surround yourself with a lot of green color around you. The next card I have is the Three of Ariel. Do what you love. A great time for personal growth. Oh my god, I don't even have to repeat it. I told you this is going to happen, and trust me, it is going to happen, because cards can't lie two times. Because one other thing with the Three of Ariel is, this is a Three of Pentacles card, and Pentacles talk about collaboration. Pentacles also represent Jupiter, right? So you are collaborating. Jupiter also talks about optimism. It talks about, people. Jupiter seems like a people person, but at the same time, they come with the experience and the knowledge. So make sure you're cooperating with people. Make sure, you're dealing with people, and you're being nice to people, because this collaborative affairs are going to, lead you towards something amazing. Then I have the Six of Raphael, which talks about embrace your inner child. New friends, relationships, an ex coming back. Definitely, when I saw that card, it's basically the same card coming twice. So that's a clear indication. Sorry. I'm going to take these back. These just fell. It's a very clear indication that somebody is coming back towards you. Somebody wants to offer you something. Somebody may realize their mistakes, and they're realizing that you were such a gem of a person, and they lost you because of their own selfish deeds, and they want to come back. And you're going to be divinely guided. Number five, the search for meaning in life. Consider an alternative approach. So, which is why they said, like, think. Think very carefully. Take the time off. Just ground yourself and think what exactly it is you want to do. I think this divine guidance is going to come in handy when you go through this phase of healing, where you go through this phase of a little bump before you see the start, where you see things amazing, like growing at this amazingly uh, high rate for you. And I think you're going to be pretty good. Oh my god, guys. I also have a feeling a lot of you guys, if you're not into healing, if you may explore career options into healing, into Reiki. It could also be tarot reading. You could be some kind of a light worker, because I do see a lot of energy coming in. A lot of you may also be visiting religious places, or you might turn a lot more spiritual than usual. Why? Because this guy reminds me of the Hierophant, and Hierophant is a guy, who sits in this chair, and he's full of morals, he's full of principles, and a lot of times all those morals, principles are actually coming from religion. So it may not be religion for many of you, but definitely it has something to do with spirituality. The next card that I have for you is Knight of Raphael. So committed relationships, well, definitely, it is coming towards you whether you want to stop it or not, but definitely things are happening for you in that area. An ex is coming back. Some kind of some person who you thought you were destined to be with, but then they cheated on you, or you cheated on them. So definitely those things are happening. They are going to come back, and they're going to make a very dramatic entry into your life, and they'll be like, I want you, I made a mistake, I don't care about it, but I want you now. For people who are in a married relationship, I do see that spark of um, that spark of physical attraction, that spark of love, it's kind of reigniting again, and you are going to be going a lot of places with it, because things are going to work out for you pretty good. Let's see from Romance Angels. I see deception. Remember when I said that this somebody coming back? Yes, they are coming back, but there was also some kind of deception that has happened in the past. So somebody is wearing a false self mask in this relationship, so be aware of it. You may not know of it, but yeah, especially if you're dealing with this man, because this man is not showing their emotions. The next card that I have for you is chemistry. Yes, you are going to have that strong magnetic pull towards your person or towards that new person, and even towards your ex. You're going to have this chemistry, and especially this is one of the signs for you that this could be somebody who lied to you before, who was deceptive to you, but you thought you had great chemistry with them. And the final card is love yourself first. So your own self-respect come first. Whether you accept this person or not is really up to you, but just make sure that you put yourself first. You become your priority before anything else. Do let me know if this reading resonates, and don't forget to check out your other predictions.